Hazrat Abu Mijlas narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam married Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jaish, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the people to the feast, and they, after consuming food, stayed there chatting. The transmitter says he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then gave the impression of getting up, but they never got up. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up. So some people got up along with him, but 3 men stayed back. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back to enter, they were still sitting. Thereafter, they got up and went away. The transmitter says, I went and notified that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that they had gone. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon entered. When I was about to enter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam hung a curtain between me and him. At that time, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse, O believers, enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission to in the sight of Allah. Surah Al-Ahzab verse 53. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6271.